That was a creepy noise. Was that him teleporting out of here? Oh, jeez. Oh, man. What in the world? Alright, so we got 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, here. What's on the roof? What is... Oh. What? No. Oh yeah. That's nice. Thunderstorm. Thundercats. Oh! Oh, it's this rain sensor. Oh. So is that gonna like send redstone signal when it gets... Turn rain off. It's not doing anything. I think you gotta place it like next to it instead of on top of it. Yeah. Maybe. Oh, way to go. Good job, good job. Should grab all of your emeralds. Your precious emeralds. You did it again, you put it on top of it. Wait, no, it is. Yeah. See, it's like it wants to activate, but there's something on top of it, so it doesn't work. It needs to see the sky, and that little rain sensor's blocking it. Let it see the sky. Yeah, like that. So where we're gonna leave that at spawn? In the always loaded spawn chunks. Comparator, what? Whoop! I like teleporting all over the place. Yeah. That's it's a pretty crazy noise. Hoppa hoppa. Yes, that's a good place for it. Right on top of the blaze spawner. Ooh. So, yeah, that was KingDaddyDMAC. You guys know him, I'm sure. He's one of the hermits. Yes, I am slacking. Alright, let's see what we do here. So I'm going to put this up to the ceiling like so. How long did I make that? 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, that's good. From there and 4 from there. I could probably expand it a little bit further. Make it go all, well, we don't go farther than this chunk right here. We don't dare go farther than the chunk border. So I think we'll do is maybe loop it like here. Is that kind of ish? No. Actually right there is the exact border. So that'll work. More living rock. So that'll give us a little area to have our Botania automation stuff in. Right? Okay, so like if we wanted to do another one of those pedal apothecary guys, we could do it over there. Still just not happy about this runic altar automation that I've got going. I think what we might want to do is just say, screw the simplicity. Do a programmable. Really? The things that I do not have in my ME system just astonishes me. And that's just a standard old crafting pattern. What do we not have? Not enough plastic? Not enough plastic. Make 100 plastic kettings. Any second now. Okay. So there's that. Then for this guy, just like that. And stick it in the ME interface. And kind of putting our redstone stuff on this column, so we'll do it over there. We did that there, so I guess we will make that. Okay. Programmable Rednet controllers. 10, please. Okay, thanks. Just grab one. This is what I'm thinking. Like that. Okay. And I think we should have a comparator on that guy too. This is gonna look a lot better, guys. Trust me. I've got a feeling. Do 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 do. So I'm believing that you're in love with me. Wait, what? So it's gonna be so much stuff in my inventory. Oh god, which one of those was the legitimate recipe and which one was the one that doesn't work? No! Alright, screwdriver, we'll need to keep that on us in the interface. Pretty much all this stuff we're going to have to keep on us. Dang it. Some cables in the interface. Old school dropper. Okay. So, can we pick up the other items now? Yes. We're going to have the activator, Cha. Have you right here. We have a living rock up there and there. We'll have the dropper right there. Runic altar right here. Right click and first slot only, aim level not sneaking, so that looks good. Alright, comparator. I wonder. So if we put how do we do this? I want to have a comparator hooked up to that guy to see if it actually has any items in it. We also want to be able to send it signal via this Rednet cable. Like so. My cool idea was that I could put it here and it would actually work, but that's not the case. So I could put it... Do you actually interface with that? You don't. Either way, it would send signal to the runic altar, which I just put the comparator on. Give me that back. So I'll have this here. Another option would be to put it like right there. Or this just makes things even better, you know. This just adds another item to the stack of what we're already using for this. Red stringed comparator. It's gonna do. Just put it right here. Is it gonna work? Is it gonna be okay? Yeah. So it works as if it were a comparator to that. We can hook our comparator up to this, and it will work as if it were connected up to that. See that? So then if we put like items in here, it looks like it went through the item dropper. Does the comparator not work on the item dropper? That's big. Did that go into the runic altar again? As it slowly rotates its way around. So if you do that, you should be able to see what it's comparatoring. Like that should show us the red string and what it's connecting to. Apparently there's nothing for it to connect to, so well, I had this whole great idea that it would be able to work with a comparator, but how else can we check if there are items in the inventory? How else can we check if there are items in the inventory? Great. Here's my great big idea. If I were to be able to compare if there are items in the inventory, so this would work a lot better, but this is going to have to be basically always active. Now, Rednet cable doesn't work as a comparator, so you actually have to have the comparator there, I believe. I think so. So this we're going to have like a timer. It's just going to be the wave right here. What that button's for. This is just a frequency of it, so we're going to do like every 40 seconds or so. 2 seconds. Input output left. So that should help it spit items out. As you can see, it's doing that now. Can't use factory manager for what? Yeah, I guess I could use. Oh my god. Oh my god. Fine. Fine, fine, fine. Give me a manager. We got the cables. Give me some redstones. Emitters. And receivers. So, Steve Factory, what are we going to be doing with you? We're going to have a redstone. We're going to have some advanced cable clusters. Empty cluster. We're going to have a emitter and a receiver. Wait, what? No, just an emitter. What? Hold on. Yeah, just an emitter with a cable. So we have it clustered. Cluster. I wonder what the difference between the advanced and the standard ones are. I can never remember. So this guy will go up here. And we'll go down to here. So it's going to be able to emit signal as well as check if there are items in there. And then if we have you right here, so we're going to have a redstone receiver there. Okay, that should be it then. That's not it. That's not it at all, guys. We're going to use an item valve instead of the dropper. Yep, that's what we're doing. Goodbye, crate, goodbye, hopper, goodbye, whatever else. That guy. Do do do. So we're just gonna have item valve, our manager, the redstone receiver, That's what I was thinking too, Jinx. Thanks for confirming that, man. So Steve, factory manager, we meet again. And we'll have some sort of inventory for that to go to. So we'll actually use a buffer or chest. It's just standard old chest, right? Doesn't have to be a fancy modded something or another. And we'll put you like right here. Get our interface in our face right here, and grab one cable. I'm still just trying to minimize the amount of work that's going to be required for this. So let's see here. Alright, so here we go. Trigger input output. So the input is going to be the chest. The items, pretty much any item in the chest. And the output is going to be the runic altar. Wait, what? Are you telling me I don't need the item valve? Is that what's going on right now? That don't sound right. Nope, that's not right at all, actually. We do have to drop the living rock. Like that. Okay. Interesting. So, let's create a trigger. Redstone controlled. We only have one redstone receiver. Every second, whatever. Actually, select the range required for the redstone signal. Say 0 to 1. Okay. And input inventory there. Target items, all the items, output inventories, the valve, all the items, I guess. I guess high signal, I don't know, high signal. I'm going to create another trigger. This is going to be also redstone controlled. Analog redstone 2 through 2. It has to be a signal of 2. And okay, choose the receiver. Right. And we'll do high signal. Actually, let's do this. Items, blacklist. Living rock. Have this guy, items, whitelist, living rock, and inventories, chest, and inventories, item valve. Okay. That should do it, I believe. So regardless of the recipe, it should... So here's what's going to happen. It's going to constantly be triggered for this. So we should have... Actually, this one we should have set to 0. So no signal, which is what we got right now. It's not actually doing anything. But then when we get to a 2 signal, all right, let's give it a go. Let's give it a whirl. That's how confident I am it's going to work. I'm doing 10. Yeah, it's not going to work. Why is it not going to work? Because I forgot to set this. Whoops. Give me all the things. Alright, let's do this again. Take that. And cancel crafting that. One of these days. One of these days. First one's going, and we still see that with the living rocks in there. Perfect, perfect. Everything's working good. Except for that. I'm gonna grab you. Bind mode. Bind you. Oh, crud. And we also need to do one more thing. We need a input, output. And this is just going to be a standard old trigger. What do we want it to be? Yeah, we can do it over here too. No, we better do it a separate one. Okay. Input, inventories, item valve. Output, inventories. AE2 cable and or bus empty? Yeah, about that. Guess we gotta use the standard old cable for that. There we go. I mean the standard interface, so it's actually like an inventory to push things into. Boop, do like that. And again, set this to block. And give it either of those recipes, it doesn't matter which. Okay. I like how we can't click the inventory with that. Okay, so... because there's probably some living rock in there too. Jeez. Alright, how much mana still do we have in there? I don't see any floating around, that's good. Yes! Oh! We didn't fix that, did we? So, inventories, item valve, target, whatever, items. It's going to be whitelist. So these are all 4916. That's cool. So that makes things a lot easier. That's what I like about... doesn't work at all. Ruin of Winter. So we grab you. Do like this. Precise detection, NBT, fuzzy detection. So I should pick up the, it's going to be ME interface. Hello, cousin Jenny. Oh, what's that? Power surge. Alright, so that, for real, should fix it then. Okay. Should be good to go now. Picked it up. Perfect. And it starts crafting the next one. Skystone chests. I like that idea, Jenny. You, sir. You, sir. Yes. Yes. I might just go. Let's hook directly up to a mana provider. So the only thing I'm concerned about here is the setup. I can't really duplicate it across multiple links because... yeah. The mana guy. So, you know that I got that shit up though. Like, that's a pretty kosher setup. One thing I wish I could do is have the autonomous activator inventory cable. Right? Tell me I'm right, guys, right? Autonomous activator cable? Maybe that's planned for a future release. Would a mana distributor work there? I really wish these runic altars worked with sparks, but they don't. Cable, we'll take that. And I am going to need another slot too, because this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'll need 2 of those to do all 16 of the rune recipes. Maybe I should do it over here. Then have like a mana pool here with spitting to there and there. Actually, that's not too bad of an idea. I think we might do it like that. And let's do the center of it. It's going to be right here. So kind of like right there, yeah. And then do like one here. Oh no, it's gonna be interfering with the block. Dang it. Curse you, mana! Maybe we could put it like right smack down. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, it would be even. Curse the even numbers. That's not okay. Even numbers are not okay. I'm glad I noticed that before I got too far, building on this side as well. Even numbers are not okay, guys. Why is that going so slow? I guess it's a little better. Boom. What's going on with the lightning? Like that. Nice one. Make this a lot quicker. Grab a wand. Right, put away all of the cables, the Rednet. The mana stuff that we have on us. Oh, whatever that was, I just put away. I don't think I really meant to. And is it? It actually finished crafting those mana runes that I asked it to, so that's good. Alright, so now we should have a center point of right here. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. From said middle point. What do you... What? Yeah. Is that going to collide, or is that going to be okay? I don't know. Oh! What in the world is it? Oh, is that the... Yeah, they do. Ooh. Hello? Yoink! Oh, that's cool. So it actually... Wand of Shadow Beam. Is there? Hold on a second. Filter particles set to all. Let's turn up my... It just does it. Yeah, flames don't hurt me. Hey. I wonder if wrath helps. Oh, no, you didn't! Chili. That's my favorite one so far. Because it bounces off of stuff. Alright, catch you later, DMAC. Back to stuff and things. Well, let's get some more mana spreaders. We need a few. And Gaia mana spreaders. Why not? Is that a Dreamwood? That's a Dreamwood. Give me that. So we're gonna do like... That guy is gonna shoot to like over here somewhere, probably like up here. And that guy's gonna go to right here. Actually, it's probably gonna go to right here. And we'll have this guy here. Go right here. Alright. Let's see if we can make that happen. Just put a phantom limbs. Okay. I take it the phantom limbs allows it to go through blocks. Actually, I wonder, can we go directly from there to there? Oh, we can. Take it a second to actually deplete all the mana in that. It's actually a lot of mana. Okay. So there's that. And we'll do one on this side as well. Oh, I got a little too close to my monitor there. Oh my goodness, buggy-eyed. And we need to do another runic altar. Thank you. I'm just gonna put this one right similar to that guy's right here. Is that right? So let's see here. Goes 1, 2, 3 there. 1, 2, 3. Oh, nope. I could probably move that stuff all over one block. Do I want to? No. So we'll just leave it at how it is. So we're going to have a redstone receiver comparator. Comparator step number 1. Boop. Okay. And then you have a screwdriver. Make sure to set the input to be the top. We have, that's what we put away. Our receivers. So receiver, so receive the comparator input, and that guy is going to be our programmer. Do this. Get rid of these extra cables that I had. Oh, that was dirt. That was dirty. And oh, looks like we lost one to the altar. What else did we have? We had the item valve right here. That's it. That's it? No advanced cable cluster or anything like that? So here's a neat trick you guys should all be aware of. Just gotta let you know. Manager duplicator. Alright, let's get an interface going for that one. Interface. There we are. And excuse me. I'll do the suggestion of a skystone chest for this one. So it's the 2 inventories we need. So boop and oh jeez. In there. That's funny. That's too funny. See how it's open inward like that? Can I? Oh, of course I can. Nah, now it opens downward. Cute. So, right click on this guy. Oh no, shift right click. Copy. Copy that. That just happened. Can you guys guess what I just did there? That's right. I copied. Wow, it even... Oh, wow, that is good. That is very good. It even copied the similar outputs and stuff. So let's get a tesseract and an activator. Looks like we gotta make one. We'll make 14, sure. Does more than tooltip can explain. That's cute. So, activator is right here. Tesseract goes right here. And receive only. Okay. I gotta give this a wand. Let's take it out of bind mode just in case that causes an issue. Right click, only slot one. Yep, we're gonna change this guy out. Sky stone, 'cause it's a stone from the sky. And we'll have to set this back up. Inventories, like that. Cool. And we got the mana going to it. We gotta make another wand actually. So we're gonna be using that one there. Boop. What kind of petals do we have? Use cyan. I hope that works. I hope it doesn't have to move the mana pool closer. Alright, so let's get crack-a-lackin' at this. Let's start with the rune. They're all 4916. Let's just search for 4916. There we go. Rune of water. Fishing rod. That's going to be recipe number 1. Actually, we need patterns. Lots and lots of patterns. So, bone meal, I think we got a recipe for bone meal. We do. Fishing rod. Don't think we got a recipe for that. Nope. Let's do a recipe for fishing rod. And then we'll do this, so it's going to be grab a fishing rod. And we'll just put away a lot of this other stuff, since we're now to the portion where we're going to be making the recipes. So we got all the work done. Just gotta make it all happen now. Gotta put these recipes into the system. So fishing rod. Sugarcane. What's next? 3 mana still. Bone meal, right? Bone meal. Just talking about that a second ago. Yeah, mana still. And a living rock. We got everything but the bone mill, I believe. So we can just test this out, and this is going to be one of the early ones, so we'll put it in this one over here. So it's going to be living rock, which, as you notice, it doesn't do anything with. But then when we put a fishing rod and all the other stuff, and one bone mill, not 3. See how it actually does it, and it's pumping mana to it. Good, 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 good. We should get rune of 3. Nice. So there's that. We gotta put the vanilla recipe for a fishing rod in here. So it's that one. Mana guy is gonna go. It might fit in this one. It might go on the other one. We'll see. Next is gonna be fire. To the pattern terminal. There we are. What's it gonna take for fire? A little mana steel, a little nether brick, wart, and gunpowder. Okay, we actually have all that. So mana steel again. 3 mana steel. Nether brick. Just 1, I believe. Another wart. Need to get that set up in our farm again. And what else was it? Gunpowder, yes. And the piece de resistance. Living rock. It's gonna give us ring of fire. So, yep, we'll do that. We'll do that. Ring of fire. So. Living rock. There you go. Nice. This is just working out beautifully, guys. It's going to give us 3 of those. And encoded. What's next? Rune of Earth. Stone. Block of charcoal. I don't know if we have a block of charcoal in here yet. Whoa. Does it have to be charcoal, or can we use... Okay, good. Block of coal. Yeah. Worried for a second there, because I got plenty of blocks of coal. I think I might have a pattern for it. Let's just see. Nope, no pattern. Okay. Grab some coal. Zip, 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 zip. There we go. Now we got a pattern for it. Back to the other way, and let's see here. So we'll grab block of coal, stone, best viewed by number of items. Thanks. And then a mushroom, I think? Yeah. And mana steel. Oh man. I gotta remember I've gotta be keeping these two when I'm doing this. Block of coal, stone. Mushroom. Oh, and the piece de resistance. Living rock. That's gonna make. Actually, we don't have any reverse in there yet. Okay, so it's. Those guys. And recipe. What's next? Rune of Air. It's going to be Mana Steel. Ooh, Carpet, Feather, and String. Hello? Did that finish or did it not finish? There it is. Okay, there's a Rune of Earth. A lot of this next stuff we're not going to have. So, carpet. I think we got a recipe for carpet. We do not. But we do now. And feathers, I know we're actually quite low on. String, we're good. So let's grab one feather. Gotta remember, I'm doing recipes here. So feather, string, carpet. Like a magic carpet, right? Mana Steel for tree. And a living rock. I'll go ahead and put this other recipe up here. Earth. So that's all the basic ones. That's the first 4. And that was what, air. The next ones are. Hold on a second, let's put these recipes in here too. They're more of a combined recipe kind of thing. So what I mean by combined is it requires some of the previous ones to make them. It's like Rune of Spring, look at this, it takes a wheat, 3 saplings, fire, and water. Let's see here, fire, water, 3 saplings? Oh, wheat. Wheat. And the saplings. And of course, as always, a living rock. I could literally just have like the me interface hold a living rock and not have to worry about it, but meh. Since that's what the recipe requires, might as well put it in there. Let's spring. So it goes the elements, the seasons, and then like the sins. Alright, looks like that should have finished, so spring. That makes 1. What's next? Summer. Looks like melon, slime ball, 2 sand, air, and earth. Melon, something we can definitely set a farm for. Unfortunately, slime balls is not something we have a lot of. Oop, let's remember to take one for myself. Okay, there we go. What else was it? 2 sand, of course. Now we can craft sand. It's funny we have to actually craft sand as opposed to having lots of it. Yay, 2 sand. Oh. And the piece de resistance. Just to top it all off, a living rock. Nope, oh, nope. That's not a... that's not an item. Okay, let's get it. There we go. And put the recipe for the other ones in here. So we have Rune of Air, Rune of spring. Put away the comparators, the hammers, the screwdrivers. Right, should be done with that one. So that was summer. And what's next? Autumn, which is going to take. Oh, we don't have a leaf farm, and we don't have a spider farm, but fire and air. Oh, gotta remember to keep one for myself. Fire, air, spider eye. And 3 leaves. Like I said, I do not have a leaf farm. That's okay. We can get a leaf farm pretty easily, I guess. Maybe. Oh, piece de resistance. Living rock. This other recipe. Okay, so that made autumn. There we go. What's next? Winter. Oh yeah. Snow, wool, cake. Dang it. It's probably got to be that specific kind of cake too. That kind of pisses me off. I like carrot cake. Water and earth. Water. Earth. Two snow and a wool. All of which I can craft super easily because I farm. And then cake. I know it's not gonna work with carrot cake. I hate getting milk buckets off of cows. Like, that is just so annoying. And the only recipe that doesn't... Wait, hold on. Did they remove it? They removed it! Wow. That sucks. Looks like they removed the Pam's HermitCraft version of cake. Maybe that made things too easy. Yeah, I will shadow, but it's the whole harvesting milk thing that I don't want to do. Anyway, so it's going to be one more. Oh, that's right, 9 patterns in there. So summer, spring, autumn, perfect. So then we'll have winter in here. And all the other ones over there. So I think you guys get the basic concept of what's going on. What's going on right now with my auto crafting Botania stuff. So yeah. Anyway, can you still get milk from MFR? Yep, boy. Well, I've just been avoiding MFR automation because it is kind of overpowered. Anyway, thank you all for tuning in today. Feel free to have a wonderful weekend or week, and then drop back by on Friday night, and I'll be doing more of the same. Maybe not, but, well, yeah, we still have a little more Botania automation to work on with the mana pool automations. But yeah, runic altar. I think we're just about. Like, is there anything else that we can do with runic altar besides rune? Nope, there's not. So yeah, have a great week, and I'll see you guys on Friday. Cheers.